Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Animated Cuties mystery pins. These were released in January of 2026 and they are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. This is an open edition collection, so these could be around for a while. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs feature a Disney character drawn in a cute animated style. And the pin designs we can get are Alice, Pinocchio, Aladdin, Megara, Peter Pan, Esmeralda, Jim Hawkins, and Tinkerbell. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. The pins that I want to get the most here are Peter Pan and Tinkerbell, so then I can put them with my Peter Pan pin collection. But this is an interesting choice of characters here because we have Megara, Esmeralda, and Jim Hawkins who don't show up in pin collections very often, so those would be kind of cool to get here too. And of course, I'd like to just complete the whole collection, you know. So let's see what we get here in box 1. So they're in our little black bags here. And let's see what pin 1 is. So they're silver tone finish on the back. And looking at the back, I'm going to guess this is Jim Hawkins. I don't know why, it just looks like it might be. And it is. So we have Jim Hawkins, who is the main character from Treasure Planet. I haven't seen that movie in a very, very long time. I listen to a lot of Disney music on Spotify, and a lot of songs come up from this movie. And I'm like, you know, doing something, and I'm like, wow, this song's pretty cool. What is this? And it's from Treasure Planet. So we do have Jim Hawkins on his, I don't even know what you call that. Some kind of like surfboard type thing, or and it's got rockets on it. So yeah, very cool. And these are kind of almost like an anime style. So we have that one, and let's see what we get with Jim Hawkins. And from the back, I don't know what this one is, and it is Tinkerbell. So we have Tinkerbell, and it looks like she has a spool of thread behind her, and then there's a button over here. Very cool. All right, so we have those 2. And let's see what we get in box 2. Well, I wanted Tinkerbell and Peter Pan, so we have one of those. So let's see what this one is. It is different. And this one is Alice. So we have Alice. It's got a kind of a pink purple background there, and she's got a bunch of looks like tea kettles, and she's holding a teacup. Nice. And these are decent sized pins too. And this one from the back, it kind of looks like another Tinkerbell. And it is. So we have our first duplicate, which is Tinkerbell. And this is what? 8-pin collection. So I never know which one to take. I'll just take this one. 8-pin collection. So now we can have one more duplicate. Trying to complete this. And let's see what we get here. See if we can get halfway with this one. And it looks like it might be another Alice. It is another Alice. Oh no. All right. So we have another duplicate. And is this going to be another Tinkerbell? I don't know. I feel a big round section sticking up right here, and that could be the top of her head. So we might have a duplicate box, and from the back, I think we do, and we do. So now we can't complete the collection in this unboxing, because now we have 3 Tinkerbells, 2 Alice, 1 duplicate box. All right. Well, let's see how close we can get. Let's get Peter Pan here. All right, and this one, I can tell from the back, it's another Jim Hawkins. Uh-oh. Hey, every now and then, you know, I have to have a really bad unboxing. So maybe this is it. We're gonna get it over with here in the beginning part of the year. So this better not be another Tinkerbell. I think it is. And it is. So we have 4 Tinkerbells. So we've opened what? 4 boxes, and they've both been duplicate boxes. So we've really only opened up 2 boxes. So we're not even halfway. We only have 2 pins left. I really hope these are 2 unique ones so we can at least get to 5. Gonna feel this one. I don't know. It's so hard to tell. I mean, these are kind of unique shapes, but it kind of felt like it had some of the points of Jim Hawkins. So here we go. Oh, it is. It's another Jim Hawkins. Woo! So this is most likely another Tinkerbell. Let's see what we got. And it is another Tinkerbell. Wow, I think this might end up being my worst unboxing of all time. I think this might have broke the record of the Christmas or the holiday sweaters one from, I think it was 3 years ago, where I think I only got 3 and it was just all doubles. So yeah, this is my worst unboxing in a very long time. I only got 3 out of the 8, so really not much to show you here. So those were a few of the Disney Animated Cuties mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of these 3. There's not a lot of choices for you here. I think my favorite here is Jim Hawkins because I don't think I have any pins with him on it. So this is my only one with him. And I do have Morph, part of the pink color story in the Hidden Disney series. I do have Morph. So I have Morph and Jim Hawkins now. So I think those are the only 2 Treasure Planet pins I have. So this was a horrible unboxing for me, getting only 3 out of the 8. I didn't even get halfway. So I'm missing 5, and the 5 I'm missing are Pinocchio, Aladdin, Megara, Peter Pan, and Esmeralda. So yeah, got a long way to go to complete this collection. And I'm not a huge fan of the style, the animated style here, so I might just stop with this one. The only one that I might want is Peter Pan because I like how he's flying in the clouds and you have the clock tower. So that one might be kind of cool, but I think I might just stop right here. You know, you get a bad unboxing and it's like, do you really want to buy more pins? It's just going to be more Jim Hawkins and Tinkerbell. It's like, do they mix them up in the factory? Like, I don't even understand how it works, but sometimes this happens. And it's been a long time for me since I've had an unboxing like this. So hopefully this is the only one I'm going to have for 2026. But we'll see. The good news for me is now I'm going to unbox these best day ever ones. So maybe these will kind of salvage my day here. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.